Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this adorable spinning shaker necklace. I'm going to be using the goodies that we got in the January Elves box from Sophie and Toffee. It was an Angels and Demons theme, and I decided to pick just one of the projects that I liked the most. So I went with the Angel theme and I decided to do the necklace. So sit back, relax, and see how I made it. And there you have it, my darlings. What do we think? So I decided to go for a sort of musical theme because music is just something that I absolutely cannot live without and I love with all my heart. Let me know what you think in the comments and of course, which side you prefer. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.